Losing weight can often feel like an uphill battle, especially if you are being told to run up a hill by your trainer, but the rewards can be life-changing. Harsh seasons, busy schedules, and everyday stress can all be used as excuses to put off taking the first steps towards shedding those extra pounds. We have recognized how hard it can be to stick with these goals, so we like to share your success stories. Here are some more motivational before and after weight loss photos to show you that anything is possible. In the words of Nelson Mandela, it always seems impossible until it's done.